Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. It is Sephora Spring VIB sale time, you guys. So I wanted to share with you guys some items that I've picked up during the Sephora VIB sale. The sale started yesterday, Friday, April 26th. So the first item that I picked up, and this is not my first time using this product, and that is the Brazilian Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is a wonderful, wonderful moisturizing, skin tightening product. I first picked up a small travel size of this product. You know how Sephora has the little promotional items that you can pick up or that you can choose based upon the amount of your purchase. So during one of my visits at Sephora, they did have the smallest of size of this Bum Cream. So I selected that promotional item with my purchase and I absolutely loved it. So from there, I bumped up to the mini size, which is a little bit smaller than this container here. This is the largest size, but I used that all up as well. So obviously I am fond of the Brazilian Bum Cream. I like this because it's not only moisturizing, but it also has a skin tightening property in it. The difference between the Brazilian Bum Cream and their other product, their Coco Cabana cream, is just that. The Coco Cabana cream is for that extra rich super hydration and moisture. It's a good moisturizing body cream and it works really well. But this Bum Cream has that skin tightening property in it that I really like. I used this Bum Cream on one of my hands, and then I used just my regular moisturizing product on my other hand. And I asked my husband to look at my hands and to tell me if he could see anything different. And right off the bat, he pointed to the hand where I had applied the Bum Cream. And his comment was, the hand where I had used the Bum Cream looked a lot smoother. This is an awesome product, and it is one I had on my list, and I wanted to make certain that I waited for the next VIB sale to pick this up, and I'm glad I got my hands on it. So this is one of the items that I picked up during the sale. The next item is the Superhero Mascara from IT Cosmetics. The first time that I used this mascara, it came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and I fell in love with it. So this was also on my list. So I picked this product up during the sale and I was able to get some money off, get a percentage off. So super glad to have it. But IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, if you guys have not tried this, I definitely recommend this mascara. It does not flake and it gives your eyelashes this beautiful volume. So because I actually wear falsies, I'm not necessarily looking for a mascara to lengthen, but I am looking for a mascara that is going to give me the volume so that way my lashes will have nice volumized natural lashes to sit on when I apply them. So super duper good mascara. If you guys have not tried it, I definitely recommend that you do, and I'm glad I got mine during the VIB sale. I also picked up the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. I've heard good things about this primer, so I wanted to check it out. So I picked up a smaller size of this, so I'll be trying this out and I'll be certain to come back and let you guys know my thoughts regarding this product. So super glad to have it. Another item that I picked up during this most recent VIB sale. I picked up an item also from Glow Recipe. This has been all over the YouTube. They have a setting spray, but I decided not to pick up the setting spray because I do have quite a few setting sprays already. So this is their Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So I picked up a smaller size of this. There is a larger size, but I want to try it out. I have been using my Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Moisturizer for quite some time. I am almost out. So this was a good time for me to pick up something else so that I'll be able to try it out since I am running out of my Clinique. So I will try this out and I'll be certain to come back and let you guys know what my thoughts are regarding this product as well. The next item is from Herbivore and it's from their Emerald collection. And this is an interesting product. This is a product that actually has CBD oil in it, which is derived from cannabis. Cannabis has lots of healthy benefits. It's an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, so it has those properties in this product. I wanted to try this product out because I also picked up a jade roller some time ago. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with what a jade roller is, but it's supposed to be a tool that you can use to help to apply your essence oils on your skin, and it's supposed to smooth out the skin and to better prepare the skin to receive any other serums or other skincare products that you may be using. So I wanted to try this out. So it's very interesting. This is from Herbivore, and this is a part of their Emerald collection. So yeah, I'm super glad to have this, and this is the Cannabis Sativa Hemp Deep Moisturizing Glow Oil. So I will come back and do a review on this product at some point, but the packaging is super cute, very cute packaging, and I think I'm going to like this quite a bit, so I'll keep you guys posted on my thoughts regarding this product. Another item that I picked up that I want to incorporate into my skincare regimen. This product is from Fresh, and it's the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. It's an anti-pollution and age delay product. I'm going to use this in combination with my Herbivore Emerald product here. So the process I plan on using that's going to incorporate these two items is, of course, I will wash and cleanse my face. I will also tone my face. And then I'm going to use my jade roller with this Cannabis Sativa Hemp Deep Moisture Glow Oil. So I will do that. And then once I'm done using this with my jade roller, I'm going to go in with this Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, and I want to use these in combination with each other. I've heard really good things about these products, and I'm hoping that it's going to help to keep my skin looking really youthful, and maybe even help to get rid of some of the imperfections or a little bit of texture that I still see in my skin. So yeah. So I'm going to be trying these out, and I'm going to come back and do a review on these products as well. The Sephora VIB sale is a time to pick up some of those higher end items that you normally may be a little bit hesitant to purchase. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to using these two products together, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it all turned out. So I know you guys are probably waiting and thinking to yourself, where are the palettes? I did not purchase any eyeshadow palettes during the Sephora VIB sale this time around, you guys. I have quite a few palettes. I'm trying to work my way through the ones that I already have. But I will say, the Urban Decay Reloaded palette, we had a conversation in the store. Seriously, I had a conversation with that palette right there in Sephora. We were talking to each other because she kept telling me that she wanted to come home with me. And I kept trying to explain to her that I already have some palettes in my collection that look really, really similar to you. But, you know, we kept talking with each other. In the end, my wallet overruled all of that discussion and said, you will not be bringing her home with you this time. So I left the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette at Sephora. I didn't include it in my purchases during the Sephora VIB sale. So I may get her at a later date, maybe once she is on sale at a even deeper discount. But yeah, so no palettes this time around. So even though I didn't pick up any eyeshadow palettes, I did pick up some complexion products. So we've gone through skincare, so now we're going to get into some complexion products, and I purchased 2 items from Charlotte Tilbury, actually 3 items from Charlotte Tilbury. The one item that I have seen different reviews on and I'm just curious about, so I decided to purchase it so I could try it out, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this is what this product looks like. And this product is not a foundation. This is a product that is supposed to give you that glow. So this is a very unique product based upon the claims. What it does is the Hollywood Flawless Filter is a customizable complexion booster that can be used as a primer, highlighter, and can be mixed with your foundation to get a perfected dewy finish or glow. Inspired by the perfecting lens of social media filters, ingredients help to soften, focus, illuminate skin, and make lines and pores appear smoother. So we're going to see if that's true. I'm super excited to have this product. And it almost looks like a foundation, but it's not. And again, it's from Charlotte Tilbury. Very, very nice packaging. And it has this doe foot type of applicator. And if I put some of this on the back of my hand here, you can see that luminosity or that glowy type of finish coming through. So that's going to be interesting. It's supposed to give you that glow from within type of look under your foundation. So it's spring and summer, so I think I want to glow from within. So I'm going to try this product out, and I'll keep you guys posted to let you know what the outcome is. And also from Charlotte Tilbury, I picked up the Magic Foundation. I picked this up in the color 9.5, and this foundation claims that it will give you flawless, poreless, youthful looking skin every day. So this is what the packaging of this product looks like, and this is the first time that I've owned any foundation or any products for that matter from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is what this foundation looks like. Very nice packaging, and yeah, I'm in the shade, I picked up the shade 9.5. So I am going to use this foundation on top of, oh, very nice, it has a pump. This comes with a pump, so very, very nice. So I'm going to use this foundation on top of the Hollywood Flawless filter. So we'll have to see how this looks. I'm hoping that it really looks nice on my skin. But okay, it's not too bad. And I'm not sure if this is showing up on camera, but I'm placing this foundation right on top of the area where I placed the Hollywood Flawless filter product, and you can see a bit of a glow or that luminosity showing through. So this is really pretty. I think I might like this quite a bit. But you guys are going to be seeing this foundation in some upcoming videos. You're also going to be seeing this Flawless filter product as well. And I will be certain to use these two products in combination with each other in a look, as well as pairing this Hollywood Flawless filter product with some other foundations that I currently have in my collection. So yeah, it's going to be interesting, but pick these up during the Sephora VIB sale, and super glad to have these. I also picked up from Charlotte Tilbury the Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. This is an airbrush flawless finishing powder. So this is what this packaging looks like. And this powder only came in 3 shades, I believe, and this is the darkest shade that's available in this powder. And I'm going to place this right over the same area where I have applied the foundation and the Flawless filter product from Charlotte Tilbury. And this feels so silky and soft. So this is really interesting, and it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I mean, look at that. It's like, it just melted right into my skin. And this Charlotte Tilbury packaging is like super duper nice. Look at that. It is so, so nice. Very nice packaging. So really glad to have this. I'm going to give it a try, and I'll be sure to come back and share it with you guys, because you may be interested in trying out some of the Charlotte Tilbury products yourself. So last but not least, I also picked up a lip balm from Pharmacy, and it's their honey butter lip balm. So just a little bitty small item. I use the Laneige lip mask at night, but I was in need of something that I could use during the daytime under my lipsticks to keep my lips moisturized. As we all know, liquid lipsticks and some other matte lip products can leave the lips a little dry. So yeah, so pick this up and I really like it. I'm wearing it under my lip products that I have on my lips today, and it's not sticky, it's not too slick, so the lipstick doesn't slide all over the place, or my lip product is not sliding all over the place after using this, but it feels really good on the lips, and Pharmacy is a really good brand, so I'm really glad that I was able to pick this up during the sale as well. So I just wanted to come to you guys and share with you my purchases during the Sephora VIB sale, and I'm curious to know what you guys picked up as well. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.